Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should launch the Gmail application and then click on the right upper corner, and you can see here that we're logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from these two accounts, you should just click to manage accounts on this device, because just to log out from Gmail account you should log out from the Google account in Google account settings. So for example, we'll just log out from the first account. Just click here and tap to remove account, confirm your actions by confirm to click to remove account again. And as can you see that in Google account settings we stay only with one account, and now we'll go back here in the application and you can see that we also stay in application with one account. So that's it, that's how to log out from Gmail account on our Samsung Galaxy S22. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.